Welcome back to Crypto Onchain, your trusted source for deep insights into the world of Web3, DeFi, and blockchain gaming. In today's video, we're diving into one of the fastest growing tap-to-earn platforms on Telegram, TimeFarm. Since launching in June 2024, TimeFarm has revolutionized how time is valued in the crypto economy. And now, with over 28 million users, the platform's highly anticipated $2 token airdrop is making serious waves across the ecosystem. If you're looking to understand how to earn, maximize, and strategically position yourself for the long-term potential of TimeFarm, this guide is exactly what you need. New updates as of August 2025. User base growth. TimeFarm now boasts over 28 million registered users, with 15 million active participants engaging daily. KuCoin ecosystem partnership. The project recently announced new integrations with other Telegram mini apps to broaden $2 utility. DAO planning phase. TimeFarm has initiated its roadmap toward launching a community-governed DAO, where users can vote on platform features and economics. Upcoming marketplace. A decentralized micro-task marketplace is expected to go live by Q4 2025, enabling users to trade services for $2. Airdrop extension. Due to community demand, the airdrop claim window has been extended through September 2025. TimeFarm airdrop overview. The TimeFarm airdrop is distributing $10 million tokens to its most active users. This initiative not only rewards early adopters, but also serves to deepen engagement ahead of upcoming ecosystem developments. Participants in the airdrop will receive $2 tokens and gain a foothold in a platform that's quickly transitioning toward decentralized ownership. TimeFarm tokenomics and airdrop mechanics. The token generation event, TG, occurred in December 2024, officially launching the $2 token. Key updates to the platform's tokenomics include anti-bot protections, enhanced algorithms to remove bot accounts and ensure a fair ecosystem. Staking enhancements. New staking tiers offering increased APYs for longer lock periods. Expanded token utility. Plans are underway to introduce $2 payments across LaborX and partner mini apps. Airdrop metrics. Tokens are allocated based on login frequency, task completion, staking activity, and referral performance. Referral program. Multi-tiered rewards. TimeFarm offers a 5-level referral program designed to reward users for network growth. Level 1, 20% of direct referrals earnings. Level 2, 10%. Level 3, 5%. Level 4, 2.5%. Level 5, 1.25%. On top of this, each user you invite earns $30,000 second, and you receive $15,000 second per referral. How to maximize your rewards. To get the most from TimeFarm, follow these strategies. Stay consistent. Log in every 4 hours without fail. Engage in tasks. Complete every task listed for bonus tokens. Stake strategically. Lock your $2 tokens to earn higher rewards and reduce token burn. Refer widely. Use the built-in tools to invite friends and earn passive income. Avoid inactivity. Dormant accounts may lose accumulated tokens as part of TimeFarm's token burn policy. TimeFarm is more than just another Telegram mini app. It's a blueprint for time-based economies in Web3. With a growing user base, evolving tokenomics, and solid development backing, it's positioning itself as a serious player in the tap-to-earn landscape. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Crypto Onchain for the latest breakdowns of emerging crypto trends, Telegram mini apps, and top airdrop strategies. Let us know in the comments if you're farming $2 and what your strategy is for the airdrop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.